So previously I have seen training which is happening for 3 days and 4 days, but it's not in India. Basically what all I've seen is in US and UK. So going from here till there, I didn't feel, when you're having something in hometown, it's easier to go there. And
Hi, my name is Yusuf Patel. I am from Bombay, and I came for this detailing training for 5 days at Autofresh Surat. Detailing is sort of my passion, and I always wanted to open a business in this field, but I didn't know what to do, what processes there were, what was the level of market that was there in India. So I found this course via Google. I was looking for detailing courses, but there were none available in India, none which were reputed and professional training. What I saw was that sir had kept the batch size as very small, 6 people, so he could give us each personal attention, one-to-one focus, and that was really helpful. What I really enjoyed about this training was that he explained from a business perspective also how to expand the business, how to how to think in terms of revenue, not just in terms of your passion. And secondly, that we practically worked on the car from start to finish. This car was really swirled. As you can see, it's really nice and shiny now, but when it had come at the workshop, it was not like this. It was completely swirled, completely scratched up, and over the process of 5 days, myself and 5 others have completely helped to transform this car. Apart from that, sir's sense of humor is also very good. So I think that I would highly suggest someone to come and do this course.
So hi, my name is Antony. I'm coming from Abu Dhabi. So basically I'm having a workshop which does all the body shop and other works. So detailing is actually a natural progression for my business. So I was looking around to find out what's the best opportunity for me to learn what it is, because most of my employees, they are actually practically trained, through experience they have learned what is detailing and what to be done, but they don't know exactly how it need to be done. They just know, okay, this is the way to do it. So I was looking, is there any way I can help my employees and also my business in the end, and how we can go ahead and start off this detailing business. So personally, from my company side, we started off detailing back in December, but then since as employees experience is comparatively lesser, we couldn't do anything much about it. So then I heard about Autofresh Detailing from Amazon. Actually, I purchased some products, and then from that I went to their website for purchasing another polisher machine, the LHR 15. And during the purchase, actually I came to know that there's a training here, and it is conducted for 5 days. So previously I have seen training which is happening for 3 days and 4 days, but it's not in India. Basically what all I've seen is in US and UK. So going from here till there, I didn't feel, when you're having something in hometown, it's easier to go there, and that's the reason why I came here. But after coming here, I'm pretty sure the standard which I have got here maybe surpasses what I have what I could have been getting from US or UK. The whole concepts are covered so thoroughly. I'm pretty sure I can do the car by myself now. I'm getting hands-on experience with the theory part of it, so I know what I'm doing, and with that I'm able to do the car also. So I'm pretty sure I can help out my employees also on the long run. So I'll 100% recommend this program to anyone who wants to do this. It's a very good thing.
Hi, my name is Trishya. I run a mobile detailing van in Surat, and a few months back I had purchased a Duetto polisher from them, from Autofresh itself. So from there I came to know about this Detailing Academy, and I'm just planning to open a studio in few days. So I thought of getting a personal good experience and a professional training from him. So I just believe that the training program is the best, because each and every step is being segregated and then they explain it every day. So we have different types of steps which we need to do on the paint as well as the car. So the best thing again was that we had hands-on experience on each and every polishes. With each and every polishes, right from rotary, gear driven to the DA ones, and even the smaller ones were explained to us. And I would recommend everyone to come here, take a good experience and then start, because everything needs a professional training before. Even if we go to some other job, we need personal training and a degree itself. So even I am a BTech engineer, but then too I opted to go into auto detailing. So I found it very useful and I would 100% recommend to everyone.
माझं नाव पंकज पाटील, मी मुंबईवरून आलो आहे. मला ॲटो डिटेलिंग इंडस्ट्रीजमध्ये खूप इंटरेस्ट होता, तर मी गुगलवर सर्च केलं ॲटो डिटेलिंग अकॅडमी, तर भरपूर डिटेलिंग अकॅडमी आले, पण मला ऑटोफ्रेश डिटेलिंग अकॅडमी बेस्ट वाटलं. मी सुरतमध्ये इथे आलो डिटेलिंग अकॅडमीसाठी. तर मला सरांनी पूर्ण स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रॅक्टिकल थेरी शिकवलं. मला भरपूर सोपं गेलं ते सगळं आणि मला जास्त मजा आली. ते पॉलिशिंग वगैरे सरने जे स्टेप बाय स्टेप शिकवले, त्यामुळे मी काहीच विसरू शकलो नाही जे मागे गेलं ते. आणि आता मला तर वाटतं तुम्ही पण या, तुमच्यासाठी बेस्ट राहील सुरतमध्ये ऑटोफ्रेश डिटेलिंग सेंटर. थँक्यू.
Hi, I am Mohd Aamir from Delhi. I come here for the franchisee department. So they give me the training, and so I come to know about the detailing process and everything from Mr. Ankur Sharma. Helped me out about all this thing. So I started from the first day. They explaining me every process and every detail about the sanding, claying, how we can do, how much force we apply for this. So I used this Rupes Bigfoot and it's really actually a good machine. दिन की ट्रेनिंग में हमने क्या सीखा कि मतलब किस तरह से क्ले करना है, किस तरह से कंपाउंडिंग करनी है, किस तरह से सैंडिंग करनी है और कौन से पॉलिशेस यूज़ करने हैं, कि कैसे अप्लाई करना है, कितने अमाउंट में अप्लाई करना है, उसके बाद कैसे वैक्सिंग को मतलब एक्सेस को कैसे रिमूव करना है, वो सब सीखा हमने उसके बारे में. और ये एक नाइस एकेडमी था, मतलब काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला इस एकेडमी से. मैं इस ट्रेनिंग को एकेडमी को मतलब जो भी बंदा नया सीखना चाहता है, ऑटो डिटेलिंग इंडस्ट्री में आना चाहता है, सो ही शुड कम इन ऑटोफ्रेश एकेडमी फॉर हिज राइट प्लेटफॉर्म. सो दे कैन गाइड यू इजली एंड दे कैन मेक यू द बेस्ट, not best, but they can initiate you how to start the process.
My name is Yash Rathi. I am from Delhi. मैंने इस कोर्स के बारे में गूगल पे सर्च किया था कि डिटेलिंग एकेडमी सबसे बेस्ट कहाँ पे है, तो ऑटोफ्रेश ही आया था. तो फिर मैंने सब चीज़ करी जो इनका प्रोसेस था. फिर यहाँ पे आया तो कोचिंग हमारी 5 days की थी, वो कोचिंग करी. सब अंकुर सर ने, नीरज सर ने बहुत अच्छे से गाइड किया, समझाया. मतलब डिटेलिंग एकेडमी के लिए अगर किसी को ज्वाइन करना है तो ये सबसे बेस्ट है सूरत में, आप इसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. प्रोसेस जैसे इसका डे बाय डे, जैसे फर्स्ट प्री वॉश एंड सेकंड स्टेप क्लेइंग एंड सैंडिंग एंड पॉलिशिंग, कंपाउंड एंड कोटिंग. तो सैंडिंग बेस्ट लगा कि पहले कार पूरी मतलब जितने भी स्वर्स मार्क्स होते हैं वो सारे रिमूव हो जाते हैं, एंड देन जब हम कंपाउंड और पॉलिशिंग वगैरह करते हैं तो वो सारे रिमूव हो जाते हैं, ग्लॉस अच्छा आ जाता है, अच्छा रिजल्ट है.